Hello, welcome. Let's continue the tutorial on NOV-DEC 2024. Question 11A. A motorist travels from a town M to the town P at an average speed of 72 kilometers per hour. On the return journey, the average speed was 90 kilometers per hour. So if the motorist used 12 hours in total for the total journey, then stopover not included, meaning when there is a stopover, that is not part of the calculation. We are having direct inflow and return journey. Now, how far is M from what? P. You know that when you are moving from, let's say, Accra to Kumasi, the distance from Accra to Kumasi will be the same when you are moving from Kumasi back into Accra, the same distance, even though the speed may be different and the times may be different, but the distance will remain the same. So you're looking for that particular distance. So let's say we have the town M here and the town P here. The distance between the two is what we are looking for. So let's just say we indicate that distance as y. Now, when we are moving from M to P, there is a speed that is being used. That is 72 kilometers per hour. Then traveling from P back into M, we are using 90 kilometers per hour. Here, the time consumed in each journey is not indicated, but we know the total time. Meaning, if I know the time in and the time out, adding the two together, I am supposed to get what? The 12 hours exactly. So now let's see what speed definition is all about. We know a speed or an average speed is the distance covered over the time taken. The speed is just distance over time taken. So since the distance moving from M to P is the same as moving from P to M, we are going to make it as constant. It's the same, it's a constant. So let's look out for the time used in traveling from M to P. So in time calculation, we know time. Let me just use the y I have here and use t here and use x here. All right. So the time is just going to be, this is coming to multiply this, this is coming to multiply. So I'll be having distance equals to speed times time. Then divide by speed, I should be having y divided by what? S, in terms of formula definition. All right, so we can say that inflow journey, that is traveling from M to P, from M to P, the time, let's say time 1, is going to be the distance, which we are not aware of. We just label it as y, divided by the speed that is used for moving from M to P. That will be 72 kilometers per hour. Let's leave it in that, because this is going to be in kilometer per hour. The kilometers will cancel, remaining hours. All right. Then we can also say that from P back to M, the time taken, which will be time 2, will still be the distance, which is constant, divided by the speed, which we are having as what? 90 kilometers per hour. We can say time 1, time 2 is the same as what? The total time. So we know our total time will be equals to time 1 plus what? The time 2. Meaning 12 hours equals to y on 72 hours plus y on 90 hours. So this is exactly what the total time. So if we compute this by arithmetic, we are supposed to get what? Exactly 12. So this becomes a linear equation that involves what? A fraction. What do? We find the LCM, multiply to clear the fraction, then we deal with the variable. So from here, we need to find LCM. We know 9 can go into 72. but 72 cannot go there. So if I add 0 to this, 9 can go in here exactly 8 times, then 72 can also go into itself 10 times. So I'll be using LCM, multiply through, so 12 times 72 equal 720, right? Equals to 720 times y on 72 plus y on 90 times 720. So let's multiply this and see. So if you multiply the first part, we should be having 8640 equals to, this will cancel this, remaining 10 times y. 0 will cancel, it will go there 8. So 8 times y. So we have 8640, 10y plus 8y will give you 18y. But since we are looking for the y, we divide by the 18. So 8640 divided by 18. 18y divided by what? 18. So let's see what that will give us. And that will be, y will be equals to 480. So what do we do? We can say that, therefore, so the distance between the town M and town P is going to be 480 kilometers. Don't forget the distance is in kilometers as we calculate that. Now, I think when you look through from the beginning, getting the concept of a speed, you should be able to arrive at the same answer. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.